Welcome to my review of the Gifts for Dad from Daughter Pocket Watch, available on Amazon. If you're looking for a meaningful and personalized gift for your dad, grandpa, stepdad, father-in-law, or even your husband, this pocket watch is an excellent choice. The pocket watch is engraved with the words, "To my dad, never forget that I love you forever. No matter how much time passes, I will always be your little girl," which expresses the love and appreciation you have for him. The watch comes in a beautiful gift box, making it a perfect gift for Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or any special occasion. The pocket watch is made of premium zinc alloy metal with a shiny black finish, which gives it a nice weight and durability. It has a collision and rust resistance, ensuring that it won't easily fade or change color. The watch's diameter is approximately 6.5 centimeters per 2.55 inches, making it easy to carry around. To set the time, simply press the crown button at the top, and the front plate will open. Pull the crown and turn it clockwise until you reach the exact time, then press the crown back to its original position. It's that simple. Now, let's take a look at what satisfied customers have to say about this pocket watch. One customer said, "Perfect item for a father from their daughter. My dad cried when I gave it to him. I'm so happy I ordered this for him." Another customer said, "Totally awesome. That's for my granddaughter to give to her father for Father's Day, and it is so to the heart and very well made. I would recommend." Overall, this pocket watch has received an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 164 ratings, which is impressive. However, one customer did mention that the watch could come with better instructions on how to work it and a good battery. In conclusion, if you're looking for a meaningful and personalized gift for your dad, grandpa, stepdad, father-in-law, or husband, this Gifts for Dad from Daughter pocket watch is an excellent choice. It's durable, easy to use, and comes in a beautiful gift box. Don't hesitate to click on the link in the video description to purchase it on Amazon today.